किस तरीके का आर्ट what kind of art do you use to set up spaces, even if it's a small space or a bigger space? Do you have preferences?
I do. For a small space, I would suggest, incorporating smaller frames rather than, and creating that feature wall rather than just creating one big painting, because I feel that will just be very overwhelming for the space. Like, if you imagine if you're entering like a small room and then you see this huge gigantic painting.
Yeah.
So that, yes, I feel no, that is a no-no for me.
Absolutely.
I would like to work with smaller frames and create a collage so, it looks aesthetically pleasing and it's neat and clean.
Neat and clean.
But
do you have some color choices that you specifically like to play with?
For smaller spaces, I love working with whites and beige.
ठीक है. और अभी आप किस किस्म का आर्ट लेके जा रही हो from here? Do you take art from Pakistan as well?
So, I realized in Dubai that when I would want to pick up art for my clients, I was very restricted in terms of, what was available in stores. And I just realized that in my own house, I am so fond of Pakistani art. And, we are so rich in art.
In art and culture.
Yeah. So I felt that is a side that the world needs to see about Pakistan.
Yeah.
So I have started curating art.
How lovely.
Yeah.
और आप किस तरह के आर्टिस्ट के साथ अभी काम कर रही हो? What kind of art do you have?
So there are multiple artists.
Yeah.
I work a lot with Mashkoor Raza. I work
lovely.
a lot with Salman Farooqi. And people love their art and they are so popular and they're so famous there. But I feel they were so underrated. They were not known. So now when I show their paintings, people love their kind of work. And a few months ago, I had a whole art show in Dubai.
Art show in Dubai.
Yes,
How lovely.
yes.
And yeah, art show was a part of your interior designing gig,
It
right?
was. It was.
How lovely.
So I invited all my interior design clients.
How nice.
And, I just showcased them what Pakistan and art and culture I come from. And,
How lovely. How lovely is
yeah.
that कि ये हुमा जो हैं पाकिस्तान से आर्ट प्रोक्योर करके लेके जाती हैं. शी डज एग्जिबिशंस इन दुबई और वो एक्चुअली लोगों को एजुकेट करती हैं कि हमारा पाकिस्तानी आर्ट क्या है, कैसे है. आई एम हेयर फॉर इट. आई लव इट. आई एम ऑलवेज हेयर टू प्रमोट पाकिस्तानी, बिकॉज आई थिंक पाकिस्तान में इतने टैलेंटेड लोग हैं, इतने ब्रिलियंट लोग हैं. एंड बाय द वे दे डोंट हैव टू बी वेरी फेमस पेंटर्स ईदर.
Exactly.
यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ अभी रिसेंटली, आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन नेम सर्टेन पीपल, बट उन्होंने इतने अमेजिंग कोलैबोरेशंस किए हैं विद पॉप आर्ट and wildlife and so much interesting stuff. We'll definitely
Oh my God, speaking of collaborations, so my company collaborated with Mashkoor Raza and we have taken out this whole line of tote bags and t-shirts.
Oh, how
which is
nice.
To promote women businesses.
Women businesses.
Yes,
How interesting.
Yes, two friends like me and Sarah started a company together. So it's about, you start your business with your friend and how so,
lovely.
and when I discussed this concept with Mashkoor Saab, he was really happy and he was like, yeah, I would love to collaborate with you.
How lovely is that? More power to that. More power to all women जो घर से अपना बिजनेस शुरू करना चाह रही हैं. हुमा ने भी अपनी दोस्त के साथ किया था. अगर आप लोगों के पास इस तरह की कोई भी इंस्पिरेशन है, आप शुरू करना चाह रहे हैं, शी इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल राइट हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. लेट दिस बी योर साइन. लेट दिस बी दैट पॉजिटिविटी यू नीड. शी कैन डू इट. यू कैन डू इट. जब विल होती है, जब हिम्मत होती है, तो बंदा कर ही सकता है, राइट?